Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to add autumn tone to your pictures. Here are a few examples of before and after this preset. If you are new here, do subscribe for related editing contents. Without further ado, let's begin. Go to Light. Change contrast to +40. Change highlights to -20. Change shadows to -20. Change whites to +10. Change blacks to -15. Go to curve. Follow the steps. Go to color. Change temperature to +4. Change vibrance to +5. Go to color mix. Go to red. Change hue to -5 and saturation to +15. Go to orange color. Change hue to -30 and saturation to -5. Go to yellow. Change hue to +25 and saturation to -10. Change saturation to -100 for other colors. Go to Effects. Change values of texture, clarity, details to +15. Change value of vignette to -10. Go to split tone. Highlights, hue to 30 and saturation to 10. Shadows, hue to 30 and saturation to 5. Go to Details. Change sharpening to +20. Change noise reduction to +25. Change color noise reduction to +20. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe for more contents. If it was helpful, do let me know in the comments. We'll see you again in next video. Stay tuned.